Leaking everywhere, bro. Coming out the pecs now. Whoa, big turds. Oh my God. What you mean? This is a decent house. I like this block. The van come with it? Oh.
He said let him know when
Man, let him know what? The tires is flat. All of them flat.
homeboy was gonna buy it, but
Man, let me. Oh, the lights work? No, the lights don't work.
basement have to be careful in the basement.
Why? What happened?
Dog, man.
Oh, the poop everywhere. They be killing me with that. It's up here too. Ew. Damn, make sure my shoestrings ain't touching. Bathroom need everything. You say this one is 55?
54.
54. Whoa, big turds everywhere. That's disgusting. Why would they do that?
My first was next door. There was people living there. When I first went down next door. Yeah, my house next door.
Your house next door?
Yeah.
I ain't see your house. Oh, that'd be gravy for you. I mean, it's typical clean out stuff. Upstairs got poop everywhere too.
Probably.
You don't know. This is nasty. Oh my God, poop everywhere. Gotta watch out for the dog. Oh my goodness. Why would they let the dog poop everywhere like that? That's crazy. Nigga gotta watch his step up here. Got a lot of wigs. Must have been a working girl. Okay. Oh my God. Man, you walk down here? I said you walk down here?
Yeah, I walked around. I put a light down on the floor.
Bruh. It stink.
Gotta have my boots on. Yeah.
I got my boots on, but damn.
Yeah, just aim the light at the floor.
Oh, big poop.
They're not gonna be. I'm sick because the cleaner gonna take a lot of money.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Oh my gosh. Make sure I wipe my junk off before I get back in. So make sure I wipe my feet off before I get back in my vehicle.
Ain't ain't no snow on the ground.
All right. I can't even really. I'm trying to see the walls. They painted black.
I got kind of close to them. They not bad. Don't seem like.
Nah, this wall right here is very bad.
It is?
This black one?
Yeah.
Yes. I mean, I could definitely see the cracks. That's what I mean. Oh my God, what is that? Oh my, oh, ew, ew. I think my head touched it. There's a crack over there by the pipe. It's another crack over there by the pipe. Oh, shoot. Man, ain't no way. Not no 54.
Oh, this is worth taking.
I couldn't do 54.
You say you can't?
54? Clean out is what? 3? Oh yeah, we need that.
Get you
Let me go look at the
some clothes.
with the plastic on. They do dry cleaning, they getting money. They was before they got kicked out.
Not necessarily though. Just nothing though. 1500.
The roof is
But it's
kind of good.
into the back.
I'm about to. Big ugly van. I remember these bad boys back in the day. Oh, I got a deck. It's getting hot, bro.
Huh?
I said it's getting hot.
Outside?
Yeah.
Put my coat on.
Oh man. Yeah, this is definitely 3,000 or more. Cause it's gonna take a few dumpsters.
Yeah.
3 dumpsters or so. Is the garage even savable? Yeah, it's straight.
I would like to knock this piece down.
With the deck,
This piece.
the ramp,
Yeah, close it off.
that would be nicer.
Paint it.
That would be nicer. Get rid of this ramp. That ramp look kind of old school.
Ramp is like for a wheelchair, look like.
That it just look old. Yeah, get rid of that. Put some regular steps.
Yeah, it'd be tight.
50,
35.
35 for sure. Cause the clean out 3. All the windows new though. But this is a nice block. You say your house where?
Right here.
Damn, I forgot about this one. It's the 2-bedroom, right?
Yeah.
Dog, I forgot about this house. Okay. This is a nice house though, but that basement is like scares me. Cause it's too much on the ground to really see like what's going on.
This was like a rooming house, but this ain't a bad house. It's clean outside.
Yes, it is. It ain't open. Got the nice little side layout. I wonder why they didn't cap this off. I'm like wide open. It's probably got water in the basement. The roof is.
Theory that goes to a drain.
Oh, that's what that do? I thought it go in the ground.
I mean, in theory, go down in there. So,
Right.
So that's where it used to drain to. So if it used to drain there and it didn't go in the basement, if it's open, why would it go in the basement?
Guess you got a point. That boy knows something. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. There you go, sir. Oh, this boy clean. Super clean. What?
Yeah, got blinds and everything.
I know. But they only go for what?
These go for 80?
I think so. I was about to say 80, something like that. 85. Got the Simply Safe that's not hooked up.
Alright.
Oh, the lights work. It's a tiny little kitchen. It's actually not that tiny.
Or maybe they cut it off because then you got a window.
Could, yeah, I'll do that. This is let me see. Turn the light on. Ugh, it's stinking here. Oh my gosh.
Is something in the toilet?
No, it smells like it though. They did like they little minimal stuffs. That's a decent vanity though. Got new carpet. Look like new carpet going upstairs. So it probably would be it'd probably be like 95-ish. All the windows new?
No, not all of them. I just want the old one over there. But these two is. Why it smell like that?
Yeah, I know, right? Like something
This
stuck
one,
in
this one is old.
something stuck in the drain or something. Or is it something under here? Or if it's something in the toilet, well, it went down. It smells right. It's in there too.
It's right in here.
Yeah. Put it to the basement. Your favorite spot. This is awkward though. Like how this is, I would probably try to maneuver it.
Huh?
Yeah, that's kind of awkward. What's that?
Cause I'm walking.
Well, the basement don't stink. Got these old asbestos tiles.
No.
I ain't never seen this before. First time for everything. They put like black tarp up there. Wonder why.
Tear it down.
Yeah, but it's nice and clean. Ain't no leaks. This is newer. But these gonna be a headache getting up. It's damn near the same layout. This one got a bathroom too, I think. It do. You got a shower also.
Really?
Yeah. It's a prison shower, but it's a shower.
Wow.
He said, wow. It works. Oh, shoot.
This gives a nice little room in house, but I don't need.
Yeah, that's true.
Oh,
What kind of hot water tank is this? Is that a 20 gallon? Well, got a 20 gallon boy. I ain't never seen one like that, dog. And his pipes is not done right. It doesn't matter. I'm just saying. Got some white molded looking stuff. Yeah, definitely put a couple rooms. No leaks. Plumbing straight. It's just a weird smell in the bathroom. I see three. This one over here, one over there, and then one in that. Well, oh, it is a leak. Almost got me. Where that's coming from?
Hello?
Oh, it must be overflowing.
You let me know you up? Hi.
Well, I figured it was overflowing, so it ain't coming out the pipes. Is it above it? No, it didn't. Oh, it's straight. The carpet not new though. Thought it was. It's short.
This might be a must-have at 30-something.
30 for Zai. Get a real nice rooming though.
But I'll leave it like it is.
Clean the carpet.
I'll pull the carpet up.
Oh, you get new carpet?
Huh?
You get new carpet? You
No.
gotta have a wall here though.
I wouldn't put no.
Oh, you do hardwood.
Yeah.
If it's under there.
Whatever is under there.
It's probably hardwood. I like it though.